Since 1972, RPE has represented the excellence of Italian expertise in fluid control solutions. From a visionary company, it has grown into an international leader in solenoid valves, pressure regulators, filters, and flow controllers, entirely designed and manufactured in Italy. Over more than 5 decades, continuous innovation, technological development, and strategic investments have driven the company's growth, expanding its production capabilities and strengthening its international presence. Today, RPE operates 2 manufacturing plants with automated production processes and fully in-house coil manufacturing, ensuring precision, reliability, and consistent performance at every stage. Every product is developed, tested, and certified according to the highest international quality, environmental, and safety standards. Serving more than 90 countries and multiple application sectors, from irrigation and beverage systems to medical, industrial, and marine applications, RPE continues to invest in research, sustainability, and people. Supported by a skilled and dedicated workforce, the company proudly carries forward the value of Made in Italy, shaping the future of fluid control worldwide. RPE SRL, leader in fluid management control.